Yeah.
I like
Rated PG, wala akong kulong ko eh.
yeah. Don't fall.
It's your mom. Good afternoon! Welcome back sa ating mumunting channel. Ngayon ay mag-aalauna na and mag-lunch break kami. Happy Friday pala guys sa ating lahat. So mag-lunch break na kami ngayon ni Daddy and ni Paris kasi si Paris wala sa childcare ngayon kasi nga diba Friday. So, ang ganda ng top natin guys, ayan. Pero matatabunan din naman siya ng jacket kasi it's very maginaw sa labas kahit na very bright ang araw. So, ayan. Ang kapal-kapal na naman ng ating jacket. Mas makapal pa sa ating mukha. Ayan, suot natin, oh. Kasi maglalakad na naman kami sa shops, like the usual thing na ginagawa namin, guys. At ipapakita ko sa inyo si Paris. Si Paris pala is nasa prom na siya. Ayan na siya, guys. Oh, honey! Baba! Shh! Nakaboots pa siya, guys. Diba? Bonggang boots ni ate. Anak! Grabe kayo siya ka focus sa iyang kuan, Fern. And Mike's still there.
Ready?
Yes, we're all ready, honey. Let's go. Kanina pa sana kami alis, guys. Sabi namin, 12 o'clock alis kami for lunch break. Tapos ngayon, mag-aalauna na. Hindi pa kami nakaalis kasi it's very, very busy. Kahit Friday, I think kasi long weekend kasi ngayon. So sa Monday wala kaming work. So everyone is like, yeah, putting orders through and mga ganun-ganun. So super busy namin ni Mike ngayon. Kaya mag-aalauna na. Kaya ngayon pa kami aalis. 12 o'clock yung namin. Hello, Daddy. Oh, look at your hair.
What about it?
Nice.
Is it?
Yeah.
What's it look like?
Okay, huh?
What's it look like?
It looks like a rock star. Halaka, ang ganda ng araw, guys. Hindi siya sobrang ginaw. Ayan si Mike, oh, hindi siya nag-jacket. Daddy, bring something ba?
Hell no. It's nice.
Ako nga, oh, sobrang nga ng jacket ko. Pero hindi ko na siya i-close. Oh, ganyan lang siya. Para just in case ba, ginawin ako. You're super bright yung araw. Hindi na sana ako sasama sa walking namin today, guys. Kasi nga sobrang busy sa trabaho. Pero naisipan ko, sayang naman, guys. So, kasi nandito pa naman ang aking anak, guys. Kaya sabi ko, bahala na ng work dyan. Uy, iniwan ko na lang kasi we're entitled naman sa lunch break namin. Kaya, but sometimes, nakikarry away kami sa aming work. Kaya it's good. Ngayon, nakalabas kami, oh, diba? Fresh air. And we're having chit-chat. We're talking, oh, diba? Bongga.
Chicharong.
Chicharong bulaklak. Can you say it, Daddy? Do you like chicharong, Daddy?
No.
Balot.
No.
I thought that's your favorite.
I
Hindi.
like you. I like sinigang. I like you and sinigang together.
What?
I like you and I like sinigang. And I like you and sinigang together. I like eating sinigang off you.
Uy, awkward.
Come on.
Right
It's my time now, not yours.
Right in PG, wala akong kulong ko eh.
It's my time, not your time.
What, your time?
My time to take the camera.
Okay, Daddy. Say
So,
something.
Anyway, sinigang. I like sisig. I like adobo when Jovi makes it more than when anyone else makes it. I like
Josh, pakilig-kilig, gining kulong ko eh.
I like I like halo and cassava cake. But yeah, that's about it, to be honest.
Yeah.
Some of the other stuff's alright, but they're my favorite ones. Sinigang, sisig, adobo. Pretty much like the standard white person's favorites. I like.
Yeah. Because I cook for him sometimes, guys. Minsan lang naman. Most of the time, si Mike yung nagluluto.
I like Thai food. Is my
Yeah.
favorite.
Thai food. Sawadika.
And also, fruit and vegetables keep us.
Paris reacted straight away na pagkanta ni Mike ba.
Fruit
Favorite
and
ni
vegetables
ano.
keep us alive.
Paris Peppa
Always
Pig.
remember to eat your.
Eat your 5. Guys, pinagpapawisan na ako guys sa aking makapal na jacket. Oh. Kasi pag naglalakad ka, mainit talaga siya. Mainit talaga siya kasi gamit ka ng ano mo, ng force. Kaya ayan, si Mike hindi siya nag-jacket. Oh. Pero ako, I'm sweating na. Tingnan niyo yung hair ko guys. Ayan. So medyo ano siya, pakulot-kulot siya. Yung ginawa ko kagabi. Kasi nag-shower kami ni Paris ng late. And pinadidig ko si Paris na yung huy! Busy ba ni Kuya? Lakag? So yung ginawa ko guys, kasi basa pa yung, medyo basa pa yung buhok ko nung nasa bed kami. So yung ginawa ko, gisantapid na ako guys ba? Anong tawag dun sa Tagalog ko eh? Gibraid. Oh, braid Tagalog English. Gibraid ko siya guys para sa umaga. Parang may wave siya. Pero without the ano, curling your hair without heat ba? Char. Ayan oh. Bongga. Hala. Grabe talaga ang pawis ko guys. Honey, what's this? Ah. Buta. Na. Ooh, yummy, yummy. Mama, get the what? The paper.
Set the stuff like ham and cheese.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, that one's got a ham and cheese. Got ham bone on that. This one's chicken schnitzel. Yeah. They're both got ham and cheese mayo.
Hi friends! Alas 5 na siya ng hapon and the long weekend begins. So, sa amin guys, dito sa Victoria, I'm not sure sa ibang states din ha. But, we have the Queen's birthday on Monday. So, wala kaming work Monday guys. Kaya we have a very long weekend. Pero, not for Mike pala kasi iba yung work ni Mike. So, he has to work sa Monday. But ako, wala akong work guys. Kaya long weekend for me. So, ngayon, dadalhin namin si Paris sa park. Yung park sa harap ng bahay lang namin, guys. Kasi, it's getting dark na pala siya sa labas, guys. So, but, kakatapos ko lang mag-work. And kawawa si Paris, hindi siya nakapaglaro today. We always make sure na si Paris ay nakakapaglaro. And parang nagagamit niya ang kanyang energy ba. So, ayan, magja-jacket na naman. Uy! So, ayan, magja-jacket na naman tayo. And labas na tayo, guys. Iwan ko ng aking laptop and everything. Naka-open pa yun siya, guys. Ito, mamaya ko na yun siya i-close kasi may gagawin pa ako. Put the jacket on.
Bring the light bulb.
Ayan. Si Mike pala, kanina pa yan siya natapos ng work, guys. Oh, nag-gym na yan siya. Ayan. Medyo madilim na siya. Yung gym ni Mike ay dyan lang sa garage. Yung mga gamit niya andyan. Tapos, kaya ganyan yung kanyang outfit. But yung park is nandyan lang, oh. Sa harapan ng bahay. And, di ba nga, open na yung, ano, yung park na yun. So, Paris can go play. Meron kaming basketball, oh. Maglalaro siya. Honey! Honey, are you going to play? Sun? The sun? No more sun. Ayan na yung park, guys, oh. Sobrang lapit lang. Run! Nagkarakarawan si Inday. Close the jacket, Daddy. Favorite niya yan maglaro-laro dito, oh. Kasi all day today, nasa bahay lang siya. Hindi na-release ang kanyang energy. You're not! Go!
Let's go.
Where do you wanna go? Where? Oh, careful, we put this on, be properly. Hang on.
That's on the side.
Yeah. Are you excited?
It's catch a poopy.
Shush.
No, it's just yellow.
Yellow.
One more. Big step. Whoa!
Tingnan natin kung mag-slide ba siya, be.
Down, big girl.
Uy, nag-slide yan siya. Well done, sweetie girl.
Next. Go on.
Come on, just tight.
Well, she doesn't want me to help. She wants to do it herself.
Fire slide.
Whoa!
Uy.
Come here, Daddy.
Where?
Come here, Daddy.
Shut.
Hussy.
Go on, Paris. You do it next. Whoa!
Woo! Did you slide?
Hussy.
Hussy!
No,
Is that horsey? That's the horsey there, oh. Do you wanna go to the horsey?
No.
Oh, 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 oh.
Are you okay?
Are you okay? Say yes.
Okay, say yes. Say yes, thank you.
Hit your bum.
Yeah.
Hit your bum.
Don't fall.
It's your mom.
Yes.
Careful. Guys, oh, she's very independent. Like, ayaw niyang magpatulong.
Move out the way, Bobby. Paris wants to show you.
Okay, careful.
Go, Paris.
Cheese. No.
Go on, sit down. One,
Hit.
1, 2,
Boo boo.
3. Go.
It had the boo boo.
You'll be fine.
You'll be fine, Nak. You're a strong girl. Come on.
Clean the boo boo.
Yeah, we'll have a look at the boo-boo when you come down. I'll call the doctor.
Come on. Wow. Gapikit mo siya di, oy.
One more boo boo.
Where's the more boo-boo, be? Show mama. Where is it?
It's about to bite.
Huh?
Yeah.
Show mama.
Ding. Busy.
You want to have a go?
You wanna try?
Hang Bob so she doesn't get upset.
So, hi.
Maxine.
Mommy swing too, okay. Mama sit on the swing as well. Ayan na kami
Where am I
guys,
going
oh.
sitting down? Mummy swing. He said, Mummy swing.
Ako kailangan din akong mag-swing guys, sabi ni Paris. Kaya mag-swing-swing din ako. Alam niyo guys, ang tagal niyang hindi nakapaglaro sa park na to. Like it's been...
Take a
So,
swing.
nung nag-start yung COVID, mga March.
Mama.
Last time niya dito.
No more?
Ayan. No more?
Because Mummy wasn't swinging. Go. Run.
Ala! Kaya nag-video din na dapit kay Murag. Ngilad kay naong na to ito. Hala! Habalo pa! Guwapa! La, nanubag lagi mo. Nagtubag lagi mo. Dilitang dapita kay Murag ngilad na kay parito. Guys, oh, say hi to my friends. Mga gwapa nga mga friends. Oh, si Lawless family. Si Jezz Xiel at si Aimie Anthony, guys. Oh, say hi. Uy, uy, kada tawag na mo sa imo is lobat ka is.
Oy, Jezz, ikuha na dala yung video po, di mo kamera.
Uy, vlog is life.
Pag-vlog na day, sakit akong ulo.
Vlogging is life na.
Sakit akong now.
Vlogging is life, mga mega. Oh,
Maulang
ito eh.
niya. Naka-save na video, so upa na akong mag-vlog.
Ay, mag-vlog daw maday, kaya magkita ba daw maday. Hello, baby Jessica! Hello! Asa man ng mga tao? Time check, guys, is 9 o'clock na ng gabi. Actually, 8:58. So, 9 o'clock na siya ng gabi. Ay, ngayon lang kami natapos mag-check ka ng mga inday. So, salamat kaayo, Day, sa inyong time. Ang dami talaga namin napag-usapan, guys. And you know what? Funny thing, right? First time namin yun talaga na kaming apat nagkasama talaga sa isang video ko. Kasi tumawag ako sa aming group chat. Kasi palagi kaming chat-chat lang all the time. So, tinawagan ko yung group chat namin and luckily, sumagot yung tatlo. Kaya yun, nagka-chika-chika, natagalan yung chika. Ang dami talaga ng aming na-chika, guys. So, I appreciate your time, mga inday. Hopefully, next time, cheka na naman tayo. It's getting late na kasi. Tinapos na namin yung aming, aming video ko. And, i-end ko na rin yung ating vlog dito, guys. Kasi nga, late na siya. And si Paris, kailangan ko pa siyang ipatulog. Kailangan ko pa siyang bihisan. Get her ready for bed. Kaya, yung gagawin ko now is mag-shoutout lang ako sa ating mga mahal na subscribers. I just wanna say welcome sa mga bagong subscribers natin. Sana ma-enjoy nyo yung stay dito sa bahay natin. And parang napapaos na ako, guys. Oh, kasi sobrang tawa namin. Ang kusog talaga ng boses ko, guys, doon sa aming video call. Kaya, parang feel ko, parang maano na akong boses ko ba, oh? Paano na lang ang aking, mag-singer pa naman ako. Parang nawala ang aking boses, guys. Sakit dito, oh, magsalita. Shout out to Sis Joy Pangan. Shout out to Rosemary Romuar. Marilyn Drudge. Cielo Riza Lopez. Benji Canonio. Shout out. Shout out to Lee Venture Vlog. Giannia Dollar. Wonder Pinay, hello. Maribel Patiag, Lizel Iga, hello, shout out. Jovi Bato Malaki, hello. Bago lang din siya sa ating channel, so welcome dito sa ating maliit na tahanan. Shout out to Aimie Anthony, hello, Day. So, Aimie Anthony, isa siya dun sa mga na video call natin kanina. Shout out to Filipina-British couple, Rosario Saballe, Verse and Jade Bowe. Shout out to Bandilang, Gwen Christensen, Joy Pham, Rofa Bulawin, Jessa Mahinay, Teresa Leonor, Diana Jane Bravo, Azzy Wong, Simple Ivy Filipina and Canadian LDR, Red Sibial, hello Day, Liza May Pairat, ang aking anak. Odessa Donghale, Rosette Paciente, and to my beautiful mama, Velma Isin, nag-comment siya sa akong video. Hi ma, I love you ma. Miss you too. Ay anak. So hanggang dito na lang ang ating vlog, guys. Okay, ang aking anak. Oh, wait, don't break it na. Say hi, bye-bye na lang, bye-bye. Thank you so much, guys, for watching our video today. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye!